Ang may advice ko lang sa mga taong may mental health, number one, acknowledge. Accept it. Accept na you need help. Hindi naman ibig sabihin you have a mental health, baliw ka or ano. It means you have only a balance in your lifestyle, in your mental health. You need to take some control and balance it. And also sometimes it's cause addiction. It leads to mental imbalance. Ang sabihin natin, nakala natin mga baliw sila, hindi. They need something to people they can understand them. Hindi natin sila i-judge, but we need to practice our compassion to our kapwa, fellow human being.
Lahat naman tayo dumadaan sa mabigat na pagsubok. So, siyempre, kanya-kanya ng kakayahan na lang sa pag-handle. Pero, ayun, dapat yung faith mo. So, tapos isipin mo na lang na malalagpasan mo yan, lahat tayo dadaan dyan. So, patatagan na lang talaga, tibay na lang. Pero, ayun, laging nakikinig na may nasa itaas.
Pray, first of all, and be with your family. And have a self-care, you know.